Disaster preparedness and response. Earthquake safety and response. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden rapid shaking of the ground caused by the breaking and shifting of rock beneath the Earth's surface. This shaking can cause damage to buildings and bridges, disrupt gas, electric, and phone service, and sometimes trigger landslide, avalanches, flash floods, fires, and huge destructive ocean waves, or tsunamis. Steps to earthquake safety. Step 1. Identify hazards in the home. The majority of injuries and casualties during earthquakes are a result of items falling onto people and their homes and businesses. These items can include the following: bookcases, cabinets, and shelves, ceiling lights, and fixtures. Large appliances such as refrigerator and water heaters, windows, and other potential broken glass. Step 2. Create your disaster plan. Step 3. Create disaster supply kits. Help might not always be available within hours or even days immediately following an emergency. A disaster supply kit is necessary for survival while waiting for assistance from local officials. Step 4. Identify your home's potential weaknesses. The home structures needs to be strengthened to provide stability against the forces of an earthquake. It is more likely to survive if it is properly secured from top to bottom. Step 5. Drop, cover, and hold. During an earthquake, if possible, stop to find safety underneath a sturdy surface away from dangerous objects that could fall onto you. Protect and cover your head while holding onto your covering until the shaking stops. Step 6. After the shaking stops, check for damages and injuries needing immediate attention. Learn about the steps to take to access and provide first aid care following an earthquake. Also, find out different areas of damage to look for in and around your house, neighborhood, or place of business. Step 7. Once safe, follow your disaster plan. Put into motion the disaster plan you created and be on alert for news updates from local officials and other advisory groups. Ligtas ang may alam.